Stand Store Print on Demand tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Stand Store for print on demand. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Stand Store, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Stand Store, it is an all-in-one e-commerce and monetization platform built for digital creators such as influencers, coaches, and online educators that lets you sell digital products, courses, memberships, services, and bookings directly from a single storefront without needing a full website. And it functions more as a typical link in bio tool when users click the link from your Instagram, TikTok, or other social profiles. They're taken to a mobile optimized store where they can buy products, book calls, and subscribe to membership. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description or the sign up button on the top right. Once logged in, you will be directed in this homepage, and also all you need to do is simply directed on this My Store section on the left side panel. Upon clicking on it, you should be able to see here that you can now start creating a product by clicking Add Product button below. And also simply choose here the kind of product type. But as you can see, we only have here digital product, custom product, recurring membership, community, webinar, e-course, coaching call, and many more. But since we don't have a print-on-demand type of product, we're going to use this URL as our way to input the link of our print-on-demand website or product that you are selling. So all you need to do in here is to simply click under the URL or media, which link to website, affiliate links, and many more. Then choose or pick a style. We have here button style, callout, embed, and many more. But I'm just going to choose here this callout one, which is basically what it looks like on the right side panel as a preview of it. Then proceed by URL, and in here we're going to use this Printify or using Shopify store depending on your print-on-demand product that you are selling. And just go to this My Product section under Printify, and you should be able to see here that you can click Create Trending Products on the top right corner to start adding or creating your own print-on-demand product. But in here, as you can see below under My Products, I already have my own product. So all I need to do is simply copy the link of this product and simply paste directly in our Stand Store. By clicking the three lines or three dots, just click See in Store button, and from here, this is basically what it looks like. So basically, we're going to simply copy the link of it or URL of this. Then go back to our Stand Store and paste in here the URL. Then below, you can even add, let's choose our image for thumbnail, where that is basically what the customer will see upon clicking the link in here. So I'm just going to choose this one, or I'm going to simply resize this and use this photo. Once done, you should be directed in here. Below, you could even add a text instead of this Click Me title. I'm just going to enter here the title of the design or the name of the kind of design on my print-on-demand product. Then also below, you could also add a subtitle for it. For example, for the subtitle of this product, I'm going to enter Get This Limited Edition Shirt. But you can make it longer or describe the product in here. Moving on, under the button section, I'm going to customize this into Buy Now. Once done, all I need to do is wait for it to be fully uploaded, the thumbnail, since it might take some time also depending on your internet connection in here. But the idea, when a customer click Buy Now, they should be directed in here where they can start purchasing or selecting the kind of variation, sizes, and the design of the t-shirt or print-on-demand that you are selling. So basically, this Stand Store is another way on how we can start gaining profit or selling our own print-on-demand products that we are selling on Printify or even on Shopify in here. And using this Stand Store to sell print-on-demand products can be a smart choice for creators because it streamlines the sales processes, centralizes monetization, and reduces technical complexity. Instead of building and maintaining a full e-commerce website, Stand lets you create a clean, mobile-friendly storefront where customer can browse and buy your print-on-demand products directly from one link you share on social media. So this is basically what it looks like. So after successfully publishing it In here, you should be directly see the result of it and even share the Stand Store link. And we can track our income on the left side panel, the analytics, customers, and many more. But overall, that is just how you can use Stand Store on selling print on demand. Thank you.